So today we're going to be visiting the Walk of Fame. The walk, we are in LA currently. This is the Taft Building. Then later that was the Hollywood Hotel, and that was the Hotel Pengus Theater. This is where we were currently parking. So as you can tell, the Walk of Fame has the people's name on them and then on a star. And then they have little circles describing what they do. For example, if it has a disc player, meaning they were at least singers or something that had to do with music. The Walk of Fame had a lot of people's names that we didn't really know. So as you have to keep on walking to find people's names that you know. We had parked in a public parking, but still required money though. We paid $30 for all day and overnight. There was also $30 for 8 hours and $25 for 2 hours. Now you need to be wearing very comfortable shoes because this is going to be a long walk. On the way, you will see many attractive things. For example, there is going to be the Chinese theater, which you can see. There's an Egyptian theater, musician. There's a Hollywood wax museum too. You can. There's also a Museum of Illusions. There is also going to be the old theater. So there is a lot of things you can see on the way and lots of pretty places to take pictures. So it does not seem very crowded right now because we came here during about 9 at the time over there in LA. So if you come in the morning, it won't be very crowded, but later on in the evening, it will get pretty crowded. Let me know which one was your favorite part from the whole entire video. There are going to be lots of rides, for example, that are going to show you around. So we didn't take those because we were going to drive by ourselves. There's Beverly Hills, which most of the actors live near. There's also Malibu, where actors live. There, it's going to show you the Hollywood sign, which is the classic, which is pretty high up. There's going to be 2 options for you. You can take the normal bus, or there's going to be the double-decker bus. The double-decker bus cannot take you to the Hollywood sign because it's way too big, but the small bus can. So for adults, it takes about $60, and for children, $30. You can find lots of people that you know. For example, we found Walt Disney. So this is the Museum of Illusions, where we are going to visit soon. That was the Wax Museum, and on the way you can also spot the Guinness World Records. That was the Wax Museum. this is the Chinese theater. So on the tiles or the floor of the right we are at right now, the Chinese theater, you can find actors feet and hand prints and their signature. It's kind of cool. Those actors, but we could not find Jackie Chan. To have a tour of the theater, it takes about $10 per person. So as we go forward, we notice that we know a lot of actors and singers on the way forward. And trust me, this is a really, really long, walk. Let me know in the comments below which part of this video was your favorite and what you would like to see next. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!